Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a medical claim letter to insurance company. What is a medical claim letter to insurance company? A medical claim letter to an insurance company is a formal written communication submitted by an individual, or their healthcare provider, to request reimbursement for medical expenses incurred. This letter outlines the details of medical services received, associated costs, and the claimant's policy information. It serves as a formal request for the insurance company to process and cover the eligible medical expenses as per the terms of the policy. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a medical claim letter to insurance company step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your information. You can start with your full name. Under it, write your home address. Don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code when you write the address. And write also your personal contact information, like phone number and email address. After that, you can write the date of the letter. Simply, use the format of month, date, and year. In this example is December 21, 2023. And then, write the information about the recipient of the letter. Of course, you need to write the full name. And then, write the insurance company name, and the address as well. Yes, include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code for the complete address. Once you're done, you can then open the letter with salutation. Simply write Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. Or Dear Sir or Madam if you don't know their name. In the first paragraph, you need to tell the recipient the reason why you are writing this letter. In this case, you want to request medical claim. So, simply write, this letter is to formally request reimbursement for medical expenses. And then, you need to write your policy number in your insurance. Make sure you write the number correctly. And tell what happened or the reason you want to request the reimbursement. In other words, you can give details about the accident that happened to you. Yes, mention the time and place, and which part of your body get injured. In this example, the writer was visiting New York City on November 14, 2023, and it was where the writer fell and broke his or her wrist. In the second paragraph, this is where you talk about your medical treatment. First, you must mention the name of the clinic or hospital. In this example, the writer was treated at Rainbow Clinic. And because the writer was from out of state, he or she had to pay the bill in full. You can just write the reason why you cannot use your insurance at that time. And after that, write the total amount of medical expenses. In this example, the writer paid $3,200. And mention the details of the treatment. In this example, the payment was for X-rays, a bone specialist, and 1 night in the hospital. In the third paragraph, you should mention the terms and policy of your insurance. There must be rule that you have to follow in order to claim the insurance. For example, the writer's insurance asks the users to contact their primary healthcare physician within 24 hours. And convince the recipient that you obeyed it. Besides that, you have to attach all the documents related to your medical treatment along with this letter. Simply write, I have enclosed all the documents related to my treatment. Write your understanding about the insurance. For example, you can say, I understand that I have a $200 deductible on my policy. After that, you can finally request the reimbursement. State clearly the amount of money. For example, I am requesting you to reimburse me $3,000 in keeping with my health care coverage. Make sure you completely understand the entire terms and policy before you write this letter. And the last, welcome the recipient to contact you for more details or queries. It is necessary that you provide your personal contact information, like phone number and email address. Don't forget to thank the recipient for their attention. And finally, close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a medical claim letter to insurance companies step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.